Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.